I've been teaching for almost 22 years. My son wanted to do the culinary program and has done it and has been very successful, and I'm helping him. So I get to work 6 days a week instead of 5. And, doing a food truck, threw me for a loop. It's like, wow, what are you getting into? But he knew what he wanted. He laid it all out, and he's doing it. The opportunity to start a CTE program starts right here at the middle school. In order to graduate, you do have to have a certification in a CTE. When I grew up, it was a 4-year college. You had to go to college for 4 years. You had to go out and get a job. CTE program, allows you to not have to go in debt. And there are a lot of kids with great ideas. You just have to stand behind them, put them through.
I'm John Pittard, and I took the culinary arts program over here at the high school. I was in culinary 1 and 2. And I also went to culinary school in Norfolk. Now I run my own business, started back in April, and the name of it is Pittard's Pit Stop. It's a food truck. I used the skills that I learned in the class basically to get better with the culinary arts, and I took it to school with me and I learned even more there and excelled. But I really learned the basics and everything working with the school through the culinary arts program. If you want to go into a CTE program, it's a really good option because you don't have to worry about the debt of a 4-year school.
Essie learned a lot of skills through that program that helped her with the position that she has now. She's been working for Hitachi for a year now, earning her own money and thriving. Her dad and I always have encouraged her to do whatever she wanted to do, to be whoever she needed to be. She's strong and confident. We're super proud of her.
My dad was a welder when he first got out of high school. He worked for the machine shop in Halifax. And he always talked about how peaceful it was, that the only thing you got going on is you and what you're doing. Nobody can really come get in your bubble while you're working like that. Welding is one of the skills that'll just always be needed because it's in every single building, it's in every single vehicle, it's in everything that stands sturdy. The Career Tech program set me up with everything I needed to go straight into the workforce.
In reference to the CTE program, my impression was, even early on, that it's vitally important. Important because students need to know, different skills, have different trades that they can actually pursue later in life. For Lenardre coming through the CTE program, it really helped him to develop and take on more responsibility. He's always been structured, but this helped him to understand the importance of just networking and doing his best in everything that's given, what task is given to him. When students graduate from the CTE program at the high school, they enter into the workforce with credentials and no debt. So parents, giving your children the opportunity to not always just focus on the 4-year university option, but let's focus on some of the trades and opportunities that they can have in the CTE program.
My name is Lenardre Faulkner, and I work here at URW Federal Credit Union. The CTE program provided me with the knowledge and training necessary and needed to succeed in my career. The CTE program provided hands-on experiences with the in-school branch that I worked. That prepared me with the basic customer service skills required to do my daily tasks. The CTE program was challenging, but I'm glad I took those classes.
When my kids were little, I thought the only way to go was a 4-year college or more in order to be successful. As they've grown older, I've watched the cost of college skyrocket and realized there are careers out there that are fantastic that don't incur debt and cost as much money. I'm excited that my kids are getting to explore those jobs and careers and paths that once upon a time I didn't even look at. Both of my sons are enjoying their programs and they're coming home excited and they're talking about what they're learning and the jobs that they could get without having to go to college and take loans and get into debt.
The CTE program has really impressed me because I could tell that they really did care about my son and his future. I knew my children weren't going to attend a college after high school, so for him to attend college while in high school gave him the perfect opportunity to walk into a good career after high school. I have older children that did not have the opportunity to be in this program like Jared did, and I've watched Jared excel in so many ways just coming straight out of high school. To watch my son get a college degree from Southside Virginia Community College as a high school student was the most amazing feeling as a mother.
I took the mechatronics class at SVHEC, which led me to have a job lined up when I got out of high school. No other high school classes will give you the skills, the certifications, and the connection in the industry and the real world. So SVHEC's program is completely affordable, and it helped me to get the real life experiences I need in the real world to make a lot of money.